To fuel the country's infra boom, the government has now rolled out National Monetisation Pipeline 2.0. This ambitious plan is now likely to raise 4.6 lakh crore rupees for the government in the next 5 years, while unlocking 16.7 lakh crore rupees in asset value to supercharge infra funding. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has launched the plan last evening by saying that it is more than 2.5 times bigger than the first plan, which raised about 4 lakh crore rupees. The new pipeline envisages private investments of 5.8 lakh crore rupees as well. And the biggest pie in the monetization plan, more than a fourth, actually comes from highways and logistical parks as well. The other big contributors will actually be power sector, ports, railways, coal and mines. And for more on this, I'm now joined by Karishma Sudani. Karishma, big jump from NMP 1.0 at this point in time. So the government is looking to raise a good amount of fund over the next 5 years. Private capex and private investment is also expected to jump by a huge amount.
Well, Sakshi, absolutely right. In fact, you mentioned that this is a 2.5 times higher target that they're looking at. It was the National Monetisation Plan phase 1 of 6 lakh crore, which has been almost 92% achieved as per records and the early estimates that have come in, which definitely gives government a boost to take it forward. If you remember, it was during the budget press conference back then, when we had also asked the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on her plans on disinvestment, and she did very loudly mention that more than disinvestment, her focus is now going to be on National Monetisation Plan. The government has been big on its infrastructure building, and to put this amount in highways and railways, followed by other infrastructure instruments, is the crux of how they're planning their economic policy towards 2040. A strong capex target of more than 11 lakh crore also indicates that they want the government expenditure to be used in order to build infrastructure, which will indirectly, of course, encourage investments.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot, Karishma, for getting us all of those details.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.